Are you looking for the best food processors? In this video, we will look at some of the 5 best food processors on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Breville SuChef Food Processor. Thanks to a super powerful motor, Breville SuChef is the MVP when it comes to performance. It's stacked with bells and whistles to give you the ultimate versatility, including a micro-serrated S-blade, an adjustable slicer with 24 settings, ranging from paper-thin to thick-cut, a reversible shredder, a dough blade, and more. This model earned perfect scores in nearly all of our tests, turning out evenly diced onions, minced, reed, not bruised, parsley, perfectly ground Parmesan, and uniformly sliced tomatoes in seconds. The sleek silver SuChef has multiple feed tubes, one of which is large enough to hold an entire tomato or 1-pound block of mozzarella. Keep in mind that this food processor's accessories are not dishwasher safe and will need extra care with cleaning. Number 2. GE Food Processor. The GE Food Processor is a sleek and sturdy stainless steel workhorse that retails for under $80. It can slice, chop, blend, and more. While the price for this food processor might be low, the capacity isn't, as the GE model can hold up to 12 cups. The food processor has 3 feed tube sizes to fit different foods and has 3 pulse speeds, low and high. During testing, we noticed that chopping onions and garlic took a little bit longer to get small and even results compared to other models tested. When testing with carrots, we noticed even and consistent shredding, though depending on the shape and size, some pieces didn't shed completely but were easy to pick out of the bowl once shredding was complete. This model is sold with and without the accessory bundle. When buying the standard set, it comes with 2 reversible blades for slicing and shredding along with a stainless steel mixing blade. The full set with all accessories comes with the above and as well as a French fry disc, dough blade, emulsifier disc, mini chopping bowl and spatula, though that version retails for around $160. Number 3. Cuisinart DFP14 BCNY Food Processor. This food processor has a solid base so it didn't move around when kneading dough, and the bowl's straight edges made it easy to scrape and clean in our tests. It has a simple design and performs well. Our testers said it excelled at chopping onions and mincing parsley. We particularly liked the paddle design of the buttons because they're wide and operate by pushing down. No fussing with a touchpad. The lid has a large feed tube for foods like potatoes and cheese, and a smaller one for skinny items like carrots and celery. The accessories are top-rack dishwasher safe for easy cleanup, too. However, we did find it slightly tricky to assemble and take apart the slicing and shredding attachments. Number 4. Cuisinart Mini Prep Plus Food Processor. Looking for a food processor but don't have the storage space for a full-sized model? This compact option is a smart pick for little kitchens, dorm rooms, or those who tend to make small portions. Ranking at the top of our tests, this 3-cup Cuisinart is a great do-it-all size. The chop and grind functions provide versatility to mince ingredients like herbs, onions, and meat, or grind spices or beans with the blunt side of the blades. It also comes in 5 different colors, so you can select the one that best matches your decor. Do keep in mind that you have to hold down the buttons continuously during operation or it won't operate, so it may not be ideal for those who like to multitask during food prep. If you need additional functions, this model doesn't shred, slice, or have the ability to make heavy doughs like you can in full-size models, so keep that in mind when shopping. Number 5. Ninja BL770 Mega Kitchen System. If you have limited real estate when it comes to counter space, a combination blender and food processor might be the best bet for you. It allows you to get the most out of your appliances. This easy-to-use Mega Kitchen System from Ninja comes with a full blender and pitcher, a food processor bowl, and single-serve blending cups. The Mega Kitchen System is one of the newest from the line, and the latest blender food processor combo that we have tested in our lab. The blender has simple controls that are easy to read and use, ideal for novice cooks or those who prefer simple machines. During testing, the chopping was even and consistent, and the results were comparable to the XL food processor from Ninja that we also tested. More on that model below. The only downside here is that the food processor doesn't have a chute, so the lid has to be taken off completely if something needs to be added. This model also doesn't have slicing blades, so it is really only best for chopping and mincing. For $160, this is still a great deal, especially since you're getting two appliances in one.